Today, we're tapping on the bridge between vision and reality, inspired action. Because here's where a lot of people get stuck. They do the inner work, they clear the blocks, they hold the vision, they feel the feeling, and then they wait and wait, and nothing moves. And the reason nothing moves is because manifestation was never meant to be a spectator sport. The universe meets you in motion. Inspired action is how invisible becomes visible. It's how the dream crosses the bridge into reality. But for most people, there's something that makes bold, aligned action feel terrifying. The fear of getting it wrong, the fear of being seen, the fear of failure, the fear of success, the fear of looking foolish. And all of that fear is resistance. And resistance keeps you on the couch visualizing a life you're too afraid to take a single step toward. Today, we clear that. Today, we become the version of you who doesn't just hold the vision, but moves toward it boldly, decisively, trusting the nudges, following the inspiration, taking the step even when you can't see the whole staircase. Because here's what inspired action actually feels like. It doesn't feel like grinding. It doesn't feel like forcing. It feels like a pull, a nudge, a quiet knowing that this is the next right move. And when you clear the fear and resistance that's been drowning that signal out, you start to hear it clearly. And then acting on it becomes the most natural thing in the world. So close your eyes and take a breath in. Hold it and let it go. With your eyes still closed, think about something you've been inspired to do, but haven't done yet. A step you've known for a while was the right move, but something has been stopping you. Maybe it's a conversation you need to have, a piece of content you need to create, an offer you need to make, a person you need to reach out to, a decision you've been putting off. Whatever it is, let it surface. Feel into what it would feel like to just do it fully, boldly, without hesitation. And then notice what stops you: the fear, the doubt, the overthinking, the what ifs. That's the resistance. And that's exactly what we're clearing today. Take a breath in, hold it, and open your eyes. So today we're going to be doing EFT tapping, otherwise known as emotional freedom techniques or tapping. So just tap where I tap and say what I say. So repeat after me. Even though I've been holding back on taking the inspired action that I know I need to take, I choose to deeply and completely love, honor, and accept myself. Even though fear has been louder than inspiration and it's kept me stuck in planning instead of moving, I choose to love and honor myself and start clearing that fear today. Even though part of me is convinced that waiting a little longer is the safe choice, I choose to deeply and completely love and accept myself, and I'm choosing movement over waiting starting right now. All this resistance to taking inspired action, all this overthinking, all this waiting until conditions are perfect, until I feel more ready, until I know exactly how it's going to go. But perfect conditions never come. And ready is a feeling I create by moving, not by waiting. All this fear of getting it wrong, all this fear of being seen, all this fear of what people will think, all this fear of failure. And underneath that, all this fear of success and what comes with it. I'm clearing all of the fear now. Because inspired action doesn't require certainty. It requires trust. Trust that the nudge is real. Trust that the step is right. Trust that the universe meets me in motion, not in stillness. I don't need to see the whole staircase. I just need to take the next step. I am clearing the fear of bold action, clearing at a cellular level, clearing all the way back through my past. Every time I talked myself out of a move that could have changed everything. Every time I let fear win over inspiration. Every time I waited too long and the moment passed. I'm releasing all of that now with compassion for the part of me that was just trying to stay safe. I'm choosing to trust my inspiration. When I feel pulled towards something, I act on it. When I get a nudge, I follow it. When I know what the next right move is, I make it without waiting for permission or perfect conditions. I am someone who takes bold, inspired action. Decisively, confidently, trusting that each step reveals the next. I'm clearing every last block to moving forward. Every fear, every excuse, Every reason to wait just a little longer. I am in motion. I am taking the steps. I am following the inspiration. And the universe is meeting me there. Everything I need is revealed as I move. I trust that completely. In my body, in my mind, and in my spirit. Close your eyes, take a breath in, hold it, and let it go. With your eyes still closed, come back to that inspired action you've been holding back on. Notice if it feels any more possible now, any more like something you're genuinely ready to do. Let yourself feel the version of you who already took that step, who made the move, who followed the inspiration without waiting for certainty. Notice how they feel, the aliveness of it, the momentum, the sense that things are finally moving in the direction they were always meant to go. That version of you is one decision away, one step away. And that step is available to you right now, today, not someday, now. Take a breath in, hold it, and open your eyes. The most important thing you can do after this session is move. Take action, not perfectly, not with a complete plan, just move. Take the one step that inspiration has been pointing you toward. Make the call, send the message, create the thing, have the conversation, post the content, make the offer. Because the universe doesn't reward planning, it rewards action. An inspired action, taking from a clear, open, fearless place, is the most powerful force in manifestation. You just cleared the way. Now go use it. Make sure to drink a glass of water after tapping, and I'll see you in the next one. As always, thanks for doing the work.